How to fix is damaged and can't be opened, you should move it to trash error on Mac. It happens because macOS blocks app from unidentified developers. And here is how to fix it. First of all, simply navigate to the terminal in your Mac. Press Command and Spacebar together. And then in the Spotlight search for the terminal and hit enter. Now, all you have to do is make sure to follow the same command I have written here. So, first of all, begin with the first command and simply press enter. Now, once you press enter, you'll be navigated to enter your Mac password on your terminal. So make sure you remember your Mac password and you'll have to enter the Mac password and again hit enter. Once done so, now let's simply search for the app which is facing this problem. So here I am simply navigating to the applications and all you have to do is drag and drop that app to the desktop. So basically I don't have any unidentified developers app available on my Mac, so I'm simply using the Brave browser for an example. Now follow this code and drag and drop the Brave to the terminal. You have to do the same with the app that you are facing the same problem with. Now simply hit enter and now you can open any app that is facing the problem by right clicking on it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.